Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The Asian share markets started to lose steam on Thursday as Omicron spread clouded what was the last trading day of many global exchanges. European indexes were mixed Thursday morning as holiday-thin traders continued to trade in the region. Spain's inflation rate has risen to 6.7% by 2021, the highest level since 1989. France is the target of Binance, the world's biggest crypto exchange. Wall Street enjoyed a great year, thanks to the exceptional contributions of policy stimulus and upbeat corporate earnings. Positive economic data came from South Korea. A 5.1% rise in November industrial output could indicate an easing of global supply shortages. But 2021 has been difficult for much of the region. MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares, outside Japan, was flat on that day and down 6% compared to the previous year. Japan's Nikkei fell 0.7% Thursday. This leaves it with a modest gain in 4.6% for the year. It is still a long way from its three-decade peak reached in September. Tokyo is closed on Friday. European investors opt for a defensive allocation, with sectors ranging from pharma to technology keeping the stock 600 index above parity on the last trading day. The FTSE and DAX are both on track for gains of 15%, while the French CAC could see a close to a 30% increase. Spanish consumer prices rose 6.7% in December compared to the same month last. This is the fastest annual rate for inflation since 1989, according to flash data from National Statistics Institute. Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, has partnered with France FinTech to finance a €100 million initiative to support France's blockchain and cryptocurrency sector. Tomorrow we'll see several European markets close, including Spain, Italy, and Germany. Paris and London will trade for half an hour ahead of the new year. U.S. stock index futures did not change overnight after the S&P 500 closed and Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at new heights. Wall Street has had an amazing year. The S&P 500 is up 28%, and it has its best three-year performance in 3 years since 1999. The Nasdaq is leading by 22% for the year. Due to the persistent U.S. inflation and subsequent hawkish Fed turn, bond markets have been strained. While the Fed outlook has been combined with safe haven flow to underpin U.S. dollars, there was some profit taking overnight as it saw the euro rise to $1.1351 from its November low of $1.1184. The euro reached its peak at 130.53 yen in mid-November and the dollar at 115.04 yen. The price of gold in commodity markets was steady at $1.804 an ounce, although it was 5% lower than the previous year. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.